left is the big falcon.
Big falcon?
Statue right there.
Oh my gosh, big falcon! Alright, welcome back team to the second video of this not new year anymore, but of 2021. Here's some more footage of Bahrain. This was the first footage I took, literally from the airport to, we didn't go directly home. We went to a crack tea shop, which was great because I needed the caffeine. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. There's a falcon statue in this video, which I have particularly fond memories of. Anyway, I freaking have to talk to you again because as I'm working on our game, I'm just trying to get it published. The actual game is made. It's actually ready to go. But I can't publish it on the freaking Play Store, and it's freaking driving me crazy. And it's my problem. It's totally my problem, and I'm working through it. But could Google please just make a slightly more user-friendly dashboard experience? Because I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm even going directly to their documentation and I can't find the answers. And then I Google search and I can't find the answers in articles, on Medium, on Reddit, on Stack Overflow. That was the most helpful so far. Stack Overflow always is. Thank you, Stack Overflow, for existing for all of us noob developers and programmers who, you know, it's not really a noob categorization. It's just you try something new. You're a newbie. And I don't know what I'm doing because I've never published a mobile app before. And I've just been trying to get the internal testing to work. And I've been waiting because they won't review the app. And everything I read says, oh, it should be done within 24 hours. And if it's not to, then check back after 48 hours. Okay, dude, I've been waiting here for way longer than 2 days. I don't want to say how long, but longer, okay? Longer than 2 days. And the app is still not reviewed. So I'm thinking, okay, there must be something wrong with my build. Maybe they can't get to it. Maybe they can't see the game. I don't know. But clearly there's an issue because the normal time frame does not apply to me. So anyway, after going through this patient period of life, I finally realized, I realized a couple things. We're gonna go through chronologically the problems in this particular scenario. 1, Google no longer allows new apps to use OBB files. So that sucks because the first couple of days I was waiting for a review, I found out by looking in the pre-launch report, that's what it's called. They have an overview subsection, a details subsection, and a settings subsection. For anyone who cares. I'm quite sure you don't, but now you know anyway. I checked there and I saw the app was trying to be reviewed by like some robot, whatever software they have set up, but they could not actually access the game because the OBB file apparently did not get uploaded with my AB file with my bundle with the game build. So I'm an idiot. I should have checked that. Did not. But in my defense, my slight defense, this rule saying new apps can no longer use OBB files only went into effect this month. Literally this month. So I didn't know, okay? I didn't get no notification about it. I read the messages in my console inbox. No messages there that I saw. Maybe I browsed too quickly. Maybe I should go back and I'm blaming Google when I shouldn't. But I'm not blaming anyone. The blame is fully on me. First of all, don't throw blame around in your life. It's just weak people do that. Okay? Okay. That was the first problem. Now, I solved that problem. I'm using the proper pack file, which I guess is a more common file type for uploading extra data for software. I don't freaking know. I'm gonna have to look into it even more. But Google seems to be improving their process. Good for them. Good for future me. Present me is still highly irritated, but I'll get over it. So, issue number 2. I have an internal testers list. Now granted, there's only 2 emails on this list, but it still is a proper list. And I've uploaded my app build to the internal testing track so that I can send out to my internal testers, one of which is myself, a link where they can download this very beta version of the app. It needs to be tested. They need the link. They need to be able to download it. I keep clicking the temporary name link that Google has listed for me on my main dashboard page, okay? Because it's a temporary name link, because the app hasn't been reviewed yet. Okay, that's totally fine. At least I still have the link, right? At least I still have the link, right? And I can download the game and begin testing it? No! No, I cannot, because every time I try to open that URL, it says 404. There's nothing there. And I'm like, dude, this is the official link from the console, from the main page of the console. It's my dashboard page, okay? And it specifically says view on Play Store. I click the link and it's a 404 freaking page. And I'm like, dude, can you please review my app? Because it's been more than 48 hours, but no one is reviewing the app. And I'm very sad now. And this is all after I fixed the OBB file, pack file crap. So people can review the app because it's actually working. And I know it's actually working and you can open it and access the game because, again, I checked the pre-launch report. So problem number 2 was there is an opt-in link for all testers. So it's not enough. It's not enough for me as the developer to add an email address. They're both Gmail addresses, ironically enough, to a freaking email tester list. After I added the emails to that list, I assumed if you were logged into your email account, you'd be able to access the app page. But no! Mother trucker, no! What you first have to do is you have to opt in to be a tester. You have to opt in to be a tester. Do you know where this link is on the dashboard? I'm probably going to screenshot it, maybe, and show you. Because this was no flow. This was not intuitive to me. There was no user experience, flow, whatever it's called here. I had nothing, like, at all. I didn't understand there was an extra link step. I didn't understand there was an opt-in step. And it was a freaking Stack Overflow question from years ago. But the Stack Overflow question had a screenshot. And it very explicitly said opt in and then listed a URL. Now that's pretty clear. That's pretty clear. Why did Google have that and then change it to something else? So, after I found this lovely link, I logged into my email account, which I am going to be testing the app on. I opted in to test the app and become a tester for Extreme Rolling. And then I went back to my dashboard, copied the Google Play Store URL, click here to view the app link, and it freaking showed up and worked. I'm very happy about this. But in case that wasn't coming across in my tone of voice, I'm also still highly irritated. But I'm mostly really happy to be moving forward from this point. So, I forget what the third problem was. There was going to be a third problem I was going to tell you about. Oh, maybe the third problem I was going to mention is that, so this pre-launch report, which I've now found out can be completely disabled. So even though by me checking the pre-launch report, I've learned things throughout this process, it's totally not necessary, apparently. But I'm going to leave it on because it's been useful for me. And these robot testers keep finding, they found like 12 stability errors. No, not errors, warnings with my game. And I'm like, dude, I'm building it through Unreal Engine and all of these stability, all the warning types are non-SDK API. Non-SDK API. Well, I'm building, I don't know where to go from here. But frankly, if I don't need to get the warning solved, I'm not even going to worry about it at this point. It's not like this is the game of all games. This is literally the test game. This is literally the test game. It's going to go up. It's going to be great. It's going to be live. You guys can play it if you want. Hint, hint, go play it. And then we get to move on to the next game, which I already bought the art assets for from the Unreal Engine Marketplace. I got them all on sale. It was great. They had some kind of like massive summer sale. So that was cool. And I can't wait to start that game. It's going to be our last game in Blueprints because the third game I'm quite sure is going to be back to C++, which I'm really, really, really excited about because I'm glad I learned the Blueprint system, especially for working with artists in the future. But please let me get back to my programming. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm not dissing Blueprints. They're great. They're great for what they are. But you know, since I can program, I'd rather be programming. I know you guys understand. So I think the third point I was going to tell you is just I have all these warnings and I'm not quite sure what to do with them. 2 of them are performance warnings though. So 12 stability and 2 performance. But the performance are only on this one device. So I need to like go into Unreal Engine and figure out how to like lower the quality of my textures and of my lighting. This one type of device. I don't know. I'm going to have to figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'm confident we can do this. Don't panic. So anyway, that's my update for today. I probably talked way longer than the video time, so I'll have to edit most of this down. and or add more video. So yes, enjoy, have a great day. Hope your day is as productive as mine while being a lot less irritating, and I will see you in the next video, team. Peace out. Oh my gosh, and there's the city in the distance.
So that is Manama.
Manama?
Yes, that's the capital right there.
Okay.
You get the call to prayer 5 times a day. And at our old house, you could hear it really well. At our new house, not so much.